Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. If you live near mature trees, you know every time a strong storm has come through. That's because your yard will be littered with fallen branches and limbs from strong and gusty winds. Instead of grabbing your pruning shears, lopper, bow saw, and even chainsaw to handle a single fallen limb, try grabbing a Stihl GTA 26 battery powered pruner. I love this thing so much, I'm probably gonna point at the camera 20, maybe 25 times. Hey guys, can I get a counter on this?
Got it.
Here's what I like about it. The Stihl GTA 26 is a handheld battery-operated pruner. It features a small 4-inch chainsaw with a PM3 chain that makes precise cuts with no vibration. It features an LED battery display, safe trigger lockout switch, and a soft ergonomic rubber handle. The pruner comes with a powerful AS2 battery, a battery charger, a bottle of lubricating oil, and a case for safe storage. The Stihl pruner is slick. I was able to perform 83 cuts on a single battery charge. This was cutting through branches ranging from a tiny twig all the way up to 3.5 inches in diameter. It's easy to use, comfortable, and produces way more cutting power than I expected from such a compact battery-powered tool. The PM3 chain is high quality and sharp. Plus, with the single wingnut bar and chain access, chain adjustment and lubrication is a breeze. So if you're in the market for a lightweight, well-made, and easy-to-use pruner that can handle most of your branch and tree trimming needs, give the Stihl GTA 26 a try. It's Family Handyman Approved. For more great products we've tested and approved, visit us at familyhandyman.com.